Stripping an existing report of extraneous artifacts like rows that separate orders or show page numbers can get in the way of being able to do what you want with your data. For example, our sample data has summary rows after each sales rep's daily transactions. These will only get in the way if you try to summarize the data, so we'll get rid of them with a simple filter. In more complex scenarios, you might end up performing a series of filters to get where you want to be. First, select the filter drop-down from the product name column. You can uncheck the total sales rep option or use a text filter. In this case, I'll choose text filters, does not begin with, and I'll enter the word total. Then OK. Power Query will filter out those rows that have the word total in them and leave you with just the records you want. With your data now filtered the way that you want, go to the Home tab and press Close and Load to send it back to Excel. In the next video, we'll show you how to split data into multiple columns.